Welcome to the POS1 Restaurant System demo. POS1 Restaurant Management System is a simple, complete restaurant POS for your business. In this video, we will cover the complete end-to-end workflow of POS1 software, starting from how to log in and navigate your dashboard. To begin, enter your registered email address and password. Your specific role, whether you are a cashier, waiter, or manager, will automatically determine which screens and permissions you have access to. Click the Login button once your credentials are entered. If your account is linked to multiple branches, simply select the location you are working in today to proceed to your main dashboard. When logging in as a manager, you are greeted by the main dashboard. From here, you can track your business health in real time, including revenue, expenses, and margins. You can also monitor daily and monthly sales trends, fast-moving items, and individual staff performance. Now, let's switch views and log in as a cashier to explore the primary sales screen. This is where most of your daily operations will happen. As a cashier, you'll see your menu categories here in the center. You can easily switch between groups like soft drinks, meals, and desserts to start taking orders. On the left side, you'll find your active bill. As you tap items from the menu, they will appear here instantly for you to review. For dine-in orders, click Dine-in to see your table map. Simply select the section and the table number where the guests are sitting. Need to customize an order? If an item has modifiers, they will appear automatically. You can also tap any item in the bill to add specific kitchen notes, like no sugar or no salt, then hit confirm. You can adjust item quantities by simply tapping the item in the menu or typing quantity to change it. Once the order is complete, click Print to send the order ticket KOT directly to the kitchen. The table will stay active until the customer is ready to pay. For takeaway orders, payment is typically immediate. Add the items and settle the bill using cash or card to finish the transaction. If a customer wishes to pay later, you can print the bill and keep it on hold. You can reopen and settle these at any time from the Open Bill section. For deliveries, select Delivery from the top bar. You can add a new customer or select one from your list. Add the items and assign a delivery person before printing the bill. The order will then go to the kitchen for preparation. Active deliveries remain visible in the delivery section. Once the delivery person returns with the payment, you can settle the bill in cash or card mode. At the end of your shift, it's time to close the batch. Before closing, ensure all your tables and open bills have been settled. Click the Close button. You will be prompted to enter the actual cash amount in your drawer and the total from your card machine. Once verified, click Close to finalize the batch. If your role allows, the report screen will appear, giving you a detailed breakdown of the day's sales before the system resets for the next business day. Finally, let's look at how to manage your menu. Using your manager password, navigate to the Menus section. To add a dish, click the plus button on the main screen. Enter the name, assign it a category, select which kitchen printer it should use, and set your selling price. To add a new category, just click the plus button next to Group Subgroups. For example, you can create a Specials group. Once saved, it will appear on your groups list immediately. Changing prices is just as fast. Select any item, update the price field, and save. The update will be reflected across all your POS terminals on next login. You can also add photos to items to help your staff work faster. Just click the image icon, select a photo from your device, and save. Contact us to implement POS1 system for your business success.